Hey there guys, after sharing the success I had over this last year with coding and selling APIs both on marketplaces and on my own as standalone SaaS products, I've received a lot of messages from you about the same thing. All of them said I should do a short step-by-step presentation on how I am doing this so profitably. And this is exactly what this entire video will be about. My framework of turning code into profit. I will reveal my entire framework of doing this from idea generation to coding it up, marketing it, and selling it for profit. This exact method I am about to show you helped me generate over $6,000 during one single month this year, and other developers scaled their API business easily up to 5 or even 6 figures per month. I am hoping that this video and my materials from the first link in the description down below will help you do the exact same thing. Even if you don't have a technical background, thanks to AI and vibe coding, it is now possible to build real projects and bring your ideas to life without needing any prior experience. Let's talk about the first step in building any software product: coming up with an idea. If you're struggling to generate ideas, don't worry, I've been there. You can search for problems groups of people are having by looking at groups where they hang out together, like Reddit, or copy a successful enough product out there that already solves a big enough problem and there are enough clients for you to take a slice of them. That would also mean you would improve a bit their product so clients have a reason to make the switch. For APIs specifically, I found success by researching popular APIs on marketplaces and creating solutions that aggregate functionality from multiple ones. At this point, let's say you found an idea. You now want to code up an API around it. I will jump into my laptop now and vibe code this thing using AI. For this walkthrough, I will build an API that, based on your IP address, will reveal your location. I already searched Google for free existing services that we can connect to in order to get this data and landed on this random site called IP Locate. Their free plan includes 1000 requests per day, which will be more than enough for what we will need. In general, APIs have specific keys for each client that tracks their number of requests and how they behave. We will need to get one of these in order to use IP Locate, and we can do so by just signing up on their website. So now that we got it, this string will be added in the URL in order to access their endpoints. We can also call these directly from the browser, even though more advanced APIs have implementations of entire libraries in different programming languages that are meant to ease your development process. You can search through their documentation to see exactly how we can retrieve data from them, or even better, ask ChatGPT to do it for you. Just for demonstration purposes, with this specific service I randomly found, let's call their lookup endpoint using our API key and see their response. We can just put the URL in the browser, and here it is, the response, in JSON format, meaning an organization of text that you can see on the screen. Great, so now we can hop into Cursor and have it code up this API for us. Let's give it this prompt. I want to build an API that responds with the address of a user based on their IP address. For that, I already found a reliable service we can call. It is called iplocate.io. This is their documentation. We should be calling their lookup endpoint. I want to deploy this on Vercel so it can be public. I will put my API key in the environment variables there, so don't worry about it. I want it built with TypeScript for type safeness, so we can see that Cursor will code this up for us now. And after polishing up the code a bit and fixing some AI generated errors, I got it working like a charm on my local machine. As you can see, we can call our local link of the API using Postman and it will respond to us just fine. Before we deploy to Vercel, you can access the complete optimized codebase, fine-tuned for faster response times and built to stand out on API marketplaces using the link below. I'll share every hidden optimization I've discovered over my 6 years of software development, helping you skip years of trial and error and start generating revenue faster. There will be 3 options you can choose from. The free one is a solid introduction to get you started, but not much more than what I present to you in this video. The marketplace training is good for 80% of people and will get you ready to build. But if you are serious about scaling this hobby to $1 million business, then the advanced SaaS guide will will walk you through how you can set up an entire SaaS, including the landing page and Stripe checkout based on an API. Lately, more and more of you guys reach out to me and tell me how I helped you start selling APIs in your free time, and I am very proud of you. With a bit of guidance, it really is not that hard to get your first sale. We will deploy now our API to Vercel from our GitHub repository, so it becomes public on the internet. Once we do that, we should be able to list our API on the marketplace and start selling it for actual money. Since this video is already past our usual length and I don't want to bore you guys, I will continue this step-by-step tutorial in my next video if there will be enough demand for it. Drop a comment down below if you want to see it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so you'll see when I drop it. Don't forget to check out the resources in the description down below, and until next time, happy coding!